buddy. I'm back. Put quite a bit back through. Tried all the denoms. And we got the hold and spin again. Come on. Screen full of red doors. Do it again. Come on. No dead spins. Only wins here. There's our doors. Hey, we got jacked. We'll take it. Got that 5 of a kind there for 100, 120, 130 bucks or something, I think. Still got 4 more to go. Let's get it. Come on, hold and spin. Bonus and the bonus. Aw, nothing there. A whole lot of kings. Retrigger. Come on, no more dead spins. Only wins. Okay, beat the balls. Beat the balls. Oh, still got a little something out of it. Got one more spin to try and get that bonus in the bonus. Oh, hey, 170. We'll take that. Backed up with a $15 bet. Are you ready? Back-to-back bonus, please. And a $5 bet. All right, I'm going to keep playing. Come back. We'll get something else. I have to show this. I got crazy. Decided to do a $20 bet. Look at that. 2 away from almost a hand pay to start. We'll do a couple live spins here. See if maybe it'll make up for it. Oh, I'm on the $2 denom. Doing some $20 bets. We were getting crazy there, weren't we? All right. Let's do a couple $10 bets here. $15. Bonus. Get some of our money back. We got a little something back. $5 bet. And one more $5 bet here. Alright. Do a couple max bets here at the penny denom. See if we can get another big win on the 1 cent denom. One more here. Bonus. We'll do some $5 bets on 2 cent. And one more there. Oh, one more for the bonus. So close. And we'll go to the dimes. We'll do some $5 bets here. Playing dimes could not get a bonus on it. All right, I'm going to spend one more $100, $10 bets here. A little something there. Come on, 3 flags or 6 fireballs. Three more. Should we stay here or go down to dollar denom, $10 bets? I think it's just camera shy. It will not get a bonus. All right, 2 more spins, you guys. Last spin. Let's play this down to 16. We'll go to, let's do 2 set. $1 bets. We got 4 spins to win. There it is. And the famous sound. Clank, clank. Been my first major for 2022. Hey, there's a nice one. A little more cushion for the slot pushing there. 580. 6 more spins to win. Got 5 more spins. Let's go. I've got a $50 ball on the far right there. 6 more. Let's go. We need a bonus here. 1 more. You dirty dog. I rapid fire you. Didn't work. Nothing. Nothing. Wow, that $50 ball keeps showing up on a dollar bet. All right, 3 spins to win. Rapid fire did not work. Last spin coming up. Hey, that is it, you guys. Thanks for watching Blue Collar Slots. What's up, buddy? My Blue Collar Slots. We're playing American Kansas City Nickel Denom. And 250 bet, 100 in. Let's see if we can get a big win here. I've not played Magic Pearl in a while. It used to be one of my favorites, but then, you know, as time goes on. Oh, bring that big Pearl back. Pearl me. Come on, no dead spins, only wins. You forgot the winning. Wow, 3 spins, no wins. This is going to be a bonus bummer. Wow, 4 spins, no wins. Last spin, anything? We won the trigger, but we're going to back it up with the next bet up, just in case. Ooh, big pearls. Talk about a bonus bummer. Play this out here live. Maybe we get something good for you. One more? Oh, so close. Definitely owes a makeup bonus, doesn't it? Question is $13 going to be enough to get there? All right, let's go back to nickels here. And nothing. Thanks for watching. What's up, everybody? Mount Blue Collar Slots here. One of my favorite Dragon Links, Lightning Link, Dragon Riches, 10-cent denom, 750. Glad we got the hold and spin, 100 in, and that's 75 bucks, and that's 75. We're in the profit territory. Wow, them are 100x balls. I like those. And a mini for 100. Keep it going. Another 37.50. Wow, keep going. Whoa, another 150. That is amazing. Keep going. We got 3 more spots, 2 more chances to fill it up. 1 more, we get a reset to 3. Do a quick possible stage identification. I sat down at this one because that major was to 803. I've had my first hand pay for 2022, and now I just need my first major. All right, was that enough to save it? What an amazing win on a 750 bet. Cha-ching. Cha-ching. 100 in, and yeah, we 6 chimes dumped. I don't know what that would be, but it makes me laugh. Look at that. We got a coin shower, grab the soap, take a shower. I said I wasn't going to sing no more. It's so hard not to sing to that rhythm. Okay, backed it up with a 1250 bet. Are you ready for this? We need a back-to-back bonus. Oh my goodness, we got a line hit. So now we're going to do that $25 max bet. Let's just count up a little bit here. 59. Yep, $25. Come on, max bet bonus. Oh, we'll do 1 more here. Come on, bonus. 2 more pearls. All right, 15. We'll do a 1250 here. Come on, something good. Wow, 85. How about 25? Let's go. Bonuses. Work our way down here. $9. Let's take this 750. Split it down to 700 here. Last spin, you guys. Something big, something anything. Thanks for watching Blue Collar Slots.